But check me out, this is crazy. I've been ripping this shit, consistently killing it, feeling amazing. Spitting isn't just for ignorant ladies, chicken-headed enough to suck, too chicken to swallow my babies. That's another story though, I don't mean to be boring, so my demeanor switches to please, demeaning irony, whoa. Hate could frickin' explode from all the unwritten quotes. I've admittedly given wisdom to children who listen slow. Come and get it, this shit is gold. Who you kidding? This shit is mold. Like platinum, ice, nice, twice, yikes, this shit is cold. And who is Kenneth Cole? I had to ask it, this guy's blasted all over rap tracks, I still don't know. But I'ma let it go and I'ma go and do me do. Rubik's Cube of rapping, I'm the puzzle master through and through. I'm on my who are you, who am I? Check the side, make sure nobody's watching before I fucking dot his eye. You better recognize, came here for your cheddar guys. You give me any beat that's a rap, you want some extra fries? Oh man, I messed it up, I could've said some extra stuff, like to shred your head of lettuce, leave it in the ketchup cup. That was my Goonie rap, I said it like the booby trap. Now I'm kicking back in the shade, waiting for food to snatch. I'm past hungry, I'm one record away from saying sayonara to all who bothered to mock me today. You talking, I'm walking away, I'm talking, you copy and paste. Jock me until the day that you got me right up in your face, and then it's stunned speech. I'm busting one deep like I'm riding inside of your thighs, honey, trust me. I love the dirtiness, raunchy until I'm 30, bitch. Give you a break or give you a steak tube, you slurping it. And now you burping it, nasty as all get out. I pass you the balls lick, now you swallow my kid spit out. Nothing to get kicked out, kicked in the clip, blit out. Split a fifth with midgets, one drowns in the thimble, dip out. And trying to catch a case no matter how little the charge. Give it like killing a midget, call this mini prison bars. Man, I'm ridiculous, literally ridiculous. I ridicule everybody listening, I'm a piece of shit. But that's just who I am, predecessor to who I'll be. Probably the biggest dickhead rapper you'll never meet or never get to see. Hopping a stage, MTV, killing a sight, BET, living a life, woe is me. I'm not about the games, used to play, I'm about to change. Now a coach who took off my jersey and threw the shit away. And now I'm happy-ish, don't mistake me for pacifist. I have a fist cracking your lip and smash your lady after it. Damn, you hit the chick too? Damn right, the bitch knew. She slapped me once, I slapped her back, she slapped me with a civil suit. Damn. Bitch.